Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a little bit colder than yesterday, so I got the hoodie on today and the beanie. Today we're working on getting the ride height correct for the S2000. So the wheels are on, but as you can see, we got some gap in the back and then a little bit too low in the front. So I'm gonna raise it up a little bit in the front, probably half an inch, and then lower it like a half an inch in the back. Probably gonna have to roll the fenders, so we're gonna do that as well. Patrick is at the store right now to get some coffee and stuff like that, because it's an early morning. And yeah, got the J's Racing titanium exhaust. He did bring his hatch. He took my my WRX to the store. His hatch is so dope, and he's got these nasty forged wheels. I forgot. I think they're ZE28s. Pretty sure. But yeah, they're so sick. He said they took them a while to get in, but I love it how it's like mag blue on the white hatch. It looks so good. Looks really good. Looks fast, but as you know, all the Subarus are slow. Yeah. Anyways, so we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna have to raise it up in the, like I said, raise it up in the front and lower it in the rear. That's it. All right, what's up guys? Just to give you a little bit of an update. We rolled the fenders. So I already have a fender rolling video, and there's a million of them out there. I got this from like Amazon, like 30 bucks. Just a regular fender roller. Applied heat, and we rolled the rear fenders and then lowered it. So we're about to throw the wheels back on and test fit it and see if everything is straight. So it's a process, but once it's finished, it'll be complete. So we're about to throw the wheels on now and see if it's good, and then take it out for a drive. Sheesh. Fucking land of the ricers over here. This is some pretty decent fitment, if I do say so myself. Pretty jealous of this car, but I have the nicer Subaru. There's a man of the hour. All right, let's see if this thing rubs. No. Let's see how bad it rubs. You gonna use those? Yeah. Oh, god damn. Oh man, holy shit. I think so. Yeah. Not from the outside, no. Oh god, there's no. Oh, I smell it. There's no fast way to get into these brides.
You smell it?
Oh yeah. The rubber?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Fuck. I mean, they're thick boys, so that would be expected.
They are the rears.
Yeah, you can't.
It's definitely the rears.
I'm not surprised. It's totally a plastic sound, not a metal sound, so it's exactly where we think it is.
Should we cut it with the
Dremel?
Yeah. Oh, I'll charge it.
Okay.
I think it'll be fine for the ride.
Yeah. All right, I go getting my steed.
Yeah. fancy boy sounds right there. Here, this person's gonna think I'm nuts. Ready? I'm gonna leave you in the dust on these back roads because you're gonna be afraid to take corners with this thing.
All right, we're done for now. It is rubbing a little bit, but it's rubbing on the plastic, so we're gonna take a Dremel and just probably drill that piece.
I think there's also a piece of metal, like clamping things down there, like under the plastic, so we might need to take a Old Glory and bump it in a little bit. We'll see.
Whatever. But that's the stance right there. I think it looks good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna go out for some spirited driving, and that's it. So thanks guys for watching, and we're gonna enjoy the rest of our day. Peace out.